here is another problem I ran into. Thought I would share it with you. I went down to one of our local home improvement centers and didn't have a lot to pick from. I had a pop-up valve that broke and went down and couldn't find one. I shouldn't say I could find one at triple the price. A little ridiculous. But I ended up getting this, and the water wouldn't drain through it. And I knew what I had to do, and feel free to return your item if you wanted to. This thing by itself was $15, and probably there's the inspector in case we have any problems. We don't have to worry about it. But you can see there the water just isn't flowing through it, and so I just took a drill and drilled a hole in it. And again, this isn't looks wise, this isn't going to be the best, but you can see how much better the water is flowing through with one hole in it. And I knew that I was going to have to drill another hole in it to make it work. And you're also going to need to make sure that there are no sharp edges after you drill. I had a sharp edge. I just simply stuck the drill down there and kind of spun it around a little bit and got rid of the sharp edges. And this is how, of course, it's kind of an old-fashioned thing you can use to plug the drain up if you need to. So that's about it for the video. If you get one of these drains, you might not be happy with it.